Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be making a boat that will have cannons and weaponry. So let's get right on to it. To make the boat I'll need a ship helm. So, and then assemble. I'm just gonna so I'm gonna be making like a warboat battleship. It's gonna be like 20-ish blocks long, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'll have closest. I'll make a flow. And then some like concrete for the higher upper bits of a cyan terracotta. So I'll just place for concrete. By the way, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. It's really nice that you guys have like subscribed, and my next goal is 200 subscribers, and I am very sure that we can reach that pretty soon, because you guys are all you guys watch lots of my videos. It's really nice. And if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe so more people can get shown these videos. Because yeah. And sorry if I didn't post yesterday. I forgot. This is the hull of a bow, so the bottomest bit bow, which is going to be all on. Need to make a I was making a bow yesterday. I was trying to figure out what to make a video about, and it flew up into the air because like why not, and it was annoying, disappeared, but yeah. I need to make the boat like rounded to just need to make it rounded. Like that. I think that's good. And then just place that. There. Then place that. And that is the bottom of the bow. I think I could expand this a bit more. So let's get the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Use the middle. And make a bit. wider, so I can stand up easier. Put that there, so that looks nice. There, there. There, I think that looks nice. The side of the bow, bottom of the bow. And then, yeah, I think that looks nice. And then I'll just pop this bit up a while. So look at that bit. It looks odd if it's not looking out a bit. And then let's see if it can float. It does flow, that's nice. So if I put some more weights, put some weights like here, that would be, where is it? Yeah, it'd be some ballasts, because that makes it sink. And then put these on the outer looks like moving down. Might put some gyros on as well. I'll cover bottom and these, so it should flow just like monkey. I think that's good. Yeah. I'll just build it off today, split these and build like more. There. I'll need some slabs to make it so it's wider. Swap that out. Again, just do slab from here to here. Put one of these on as well. I think it's too heavy now. Like that. I need to put some more floaters on, so not there. Some more ballasts in the middle. Like that. Cover the sides with covers. That's good. One of these here. I need a bite piece. We go. Need the here and here. Actually, look up the stair. Yeah, that's better. So stair here. Bite here, Then go over vertical stair. There we go. Vertical stair. That looks nice. And if I come over here and place more, yes, that looks really nice. So that is, I think, the complete bottom of the ship. I have Warrium also installed, so I'm gonna put some like torpedoes on there. So if I have like a torpedo bay, the front here, like that, then I get all the pieces for the torpedo. Fire. Then need some redstone. Fire. Okay, so I'll have a torpedo bay over here. And I'll fire the torpedoes. Nice. I'm gonna get rid of these floaters and replace them with blasts. Hopefully it'll stop bouncing. It's pretty bad for like the torpedo collides with the boat while it's bouncing. It's too heavy now, so I need some more ballast. First I'm just gonna make it floaters. I'm gonna make it look a bit nicer just for now. And then I'll build off it after, build the floaters and stuff in it afterwards. So it's easier to have, or there's just more space, which is always nice in a boat. Basically shooting missiles. Because if there's lots of space, I can put an engine, because I'll need an engine room to power the boat. Nice. And if I put grab some stairs, and we'll need a step, so into here and grab a step, put it like that. I think looks nice. So over here as well, over here and over here. Put a slab there and then a pipe there. Slab, pipe. And then I'll grab a vertical step to make it like more rounded out. So vertical step, put that here, and another one over here. Over here and here, and put the first slab on over there. So I'll put the slab and then by go, and I think that's pretty nice and even, like evened out. So now if I rock it will sink. I just need to put some more floaters on like these bits. This all concrete like that. Let's throw this here. That ballast back and like that. More floaters like on the edge here. I'm gonna have floaters in the middle because it makes it wobbly. And that's not good, like I've said before. So those in here. Yes, that's nice. Then I'll just there we go. I should be sinking more on this side as well. Just left that up there. There we go. Now this will look like it's over. Why is it sinking on this side? Or is that just the waves? Well, there are no waves, but is there anything like more weight on this side? I don't know. I'll put some more ballasts in the middle, just to try and keep it fresh, releasing. There you go. Why is it like tipping? Enough of the ballasts on the side. Just like rid of those three, place some more ballasts. No, I need to do 4. That. Fill this area with motors. Now play. Is that good? No. Why is it heavier on that side? I might just get some motors in the middle. Even though it's like this be good. But I'll just put like a gearbox engine. Put the engines here. Max speed. And put some gyroscopes. Would that fix it? No, it's not. It is up the right way, right? Yes. If I put some should be making it tilt that way. Some more gyros. Okay, it's not tipping anymore, so that's good. And then I'll just put a few more. Get rid of that. Put the gyro. Turn the gyros all back on. That's better. And let's need some more floaters. Or if I just get rid of these, it should stay up more. Yeah, it's better. So now it's floating and not wibbly wobbly everywhere. It's annoying. What if and now I'm gonna see if I can like drive it around. It is moving, barely. Oh yeah, it is moving. What if I put propellers on it to make it like bigger? Or if I do ship engines? Grab some ingredients. Need coal. There we go. Let's come some coal. 2, 3. Now it should be much faster. It is faster now. I'll just get rid of these and then. So if I get a propeller from Clockwork, they'll probably do better. So propeller bearing, and then I won't do those propellers. I'll do the propellers with the. Where is it? Here we go. Windmill sail. And that. And here we go. So this is the front of the ship. Which means I'll put the propellers out over here. And then need to get the power down here. Just to fix this bit. Here we go. Power needs to be connected over here. So put that. Boom, boom. And now if I put the motor, it should spin. Except once I put this. Oh, it's a factory. If I change like the type of engines, like what other engines are there on boats and stuff? But no, there's like jets on planes. I do put like a jet engine onto this. I'll get wherever, just get a debug engine for now. And see if that can ship. And if it can, we'll get like gas and stuff on the ship. It should be moving towards. some more engines. Hope it moves. It might not work well submerged in water, so that might be the thing. And it was also very, very heavy, so that could also be another thing. I'll just put her propellers back on. So I'll add like 1, 2, 3. I'll just do 2. Back most. Okay. And then if I put a thing bob, grab that back. Okay, so 1, 3. That should be the same distance. Yes. And then give that back one more. Put the shaft in back. Shaft there. Boom and boom. Connect the rest to that. Then just one to this one. And then I'll dig up. And then I will not use that power. I'll just connect these for now. And then now I've got one like thing that I have to spin. Connect these all up. Looks pretty like that. Then if I put like slabs on top, so it doesn't look too bad. Or that as well. That'd be pretty good. Yeah. 1, 2, 2. Place this here. It goes towards the. It goes towards the propeller, so cover up the side. Just sides to front, back. Back here to boot. Boot. Boot and boot. Cover up the bottom with these. Okay, anyways, I'll change these out with that. And I think that should be a stair instead. Does that look nice? I like angled, no. Let's put it like this. That looks good. Put it here as well. So now I've got like the 2 things that we'll put our propellers on. So we need the clockwork propellers. There we go. I've already got my inventory, so I'll just use that one. And then what's like a nice color? If I go to the chipped section, or just use Warriors, this one, that looks, yeah, there and there, and then I will cover up the actual engines, because they look weird. for now. And I need a sideways steer as well, or yeah. Oriented properly. Okay, I won't use a sideways steer then. I'll just put the block here and there. Here we go. Have a visa. Veer and veer. Boop, boop. And I need black gray concrete for the top. I'll just put some here as well. Nope. Push these to there and there. I even realized I'm using a different one for the engines. So yeah, because I'm using panels and layers, which are different things. I need the windmill sails, 2, 3 and 4, and if I glue that together, here's super glue. And do the same for over here. Boom, 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 and boom, and just super glue that. That good, yes. I'm gonna put like a trapdoor so I can edit it afterwards. So copycat trapdoor. Open it. Trapdoor. There shouldn't be any, yeah, there isn't any gyroscopes here. And I need a shaft, bring back here. And what can I need? Is there like a casing thing I can use? No, I don't think there's copycat shafts, which I might use, but some inventory for later. I'll just finish this first. So the belts, connect that from here to the top. Here we go. Now if I spin this, I should go forwards. and there. Created again. Now if I put a yes, it's moving. So now I've got the ship moving. Steer. So I use like and you know, add a flap to revert back. What's this bell for? Oh, it's for the I'll just connect this because this will need constant power. And then put the flap bearing there. No, like I don't think I can. I'll have to split up into two different flaps, I guess. So if I get the smart flap bearing, and put one here, and put one there. Get rid of all of those. Get rid of that. And in create connected, yeah, more gearboxes. So I'll pick a brass one because it looks cool. And smart flap bearing, smart flap bearing. And then if I put like a whatchamacallit, wing onto it, it should work. And wing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's good. And I'll just set this one. That one's a red. And then this will go on the bottom. And then I get a smart flap bearing. This one here. This one here. This one here. This one here. So I have the wing and the thing. So now if I first glue this and then I can turn that on. Glue that, turn it on. And then, wait one sec. Okay, I'm back and I'll finish the video later. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I want to get to 200 subscribers. And have a good one. Goodbye.